All right, if you are an affiliate marketer and you're relying on posting videos to social media to bring you enough traffic to build your business, I think you're using social media for the wrong job. All right, now don't misunderstand me. You absolutely should be posting to social media. I post consistently. I make videos. I host the Digital Web Kings podcast. I put content everywhere. But here's the difference. I don't rely on social media to create my traffic. I use social media to back up my traffic. And that's a huge difference because in affiliate marketing, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. You can have the greatest affiliate opportunity in the world. You can have the greatest website. You can have an incredible product. You can have the absolute best compensation plan in the market. But if nobody sees your opportunity, none of that matters. That's why one of the biggest things that I focus on at Digital Web Kings is showing people the actual traffic sources for affiliate marketers that I personally use to put my offers in front of people to become successful online as an affiliate marketer from being a regular Joe Schmo, right? Once I do that, then social media does its job. And here's what I mean. When I use a traffic source and suddenly hundreds or thousands of people are seeing my offer, some of those people are going to do something before they join. They're going to Google me, right? They're going to search my name. They're going to look for Digital Web Kings. They're going to find my Facebook. They're going to find my YouTube videos, my podcast, my website, everything else I've put online. And that is where social media becomes incredibly powerful. It's the follow-up. It's the credibility. It's the proof that you are actually here. In fact, try something here right now. Google my name, search Cory Hemminger, and look at what comes up, including the information Google has associated with me online. A huge amount of my online presence has been built by consistently putting content out there. So yes, post to social media, but don't sit there refreshing your video, wondering why it only got 200 views and thinking your affiliate business is doomed, right? Because I don't need Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram to decide whether they're going to give me traffic today. I go get traffic. And that's what I teach at digitalwebkings.com. One of the traffic sources I've used has produced some of the biggest surges in website traffic I've ever seen. And that's why I continue to use it. It's the 1 million solo ad campaign. 1 million. And what makes this one particularly interesting to me is that it isn't just an advertising source. There's also an affiliate income connected to it. So I'm using a system designed to generate traffic for my affiliate marketing business while also having the ability to generate another stream of affiliate income from the traffic system itself. This isn't something that appeared online 3 months ago, right? The company behind this advertising platform has been around for more than a decade. That's extremely important to me. I don't like building around something that popped up yesterday and might disappear tomorrow. I want established systems. I want things with a track record. And most importantly, I want traffic. Because here's something every affiliate marketer eventually has to understand. No traffic means no leads. No leads means no sales. And no sales means no commissions. And posting another Facebook reel and hoping the algorithm suddenly decides to make you famous is not a traffic strategy. So that's why I built digitalwebkings.com. I built it differently than any other site out there. I'm showing you the tools, the different traffic tools that I use for affiliate marketers, the ones that have actually currently bringing me business. And one of the biggest traffic options I've added to that ecosystem can be found. I've set it up so you can check it out at instantpayincrease.com, right? It's going to give you the exact package that I use, the 1 million landslide solo ad campaign. That's where you can see it, instantpayincrease.com, right? And again, don't stop posting to social media. Do the exact opposite. Build your Facebook, build your YouTube, build your TikTok, build your podcast, build your name online. Because when your actual advertising starts putting you in front of people, you want them to search for you. You want them to find something. Think about it this way. Your traffic source introduces you. Your social media validates you. And your website gives them somewhere to go next. That is the system. Traffic first, credibility second, follow-up third. Everything works together. So if you're an affiliate marketer who's tired of posting every single day and wondering where the traffic is, stop expecting social media to do a job it was never guaranteed to do. Go to digitalwebkings.com and look at the traffic sources I'm actually using. You don't have to pay anything for that. I just show you. All you have to do is go there. You just go there, put in your email, verify it, and you can see absolutely everything. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to provide any payment information or anything like that. And if you want to specifically just go see the 1 million solo ad campaign that I use, go to instantpayincrease.com. You can just get it right through there. You can write your ad or you can have them write your ad for you, but they have an incredible bonus package right now when you go through instantpayincrease.com. All right. Don't just post, get seen. Then make sure that when people search for you, they like what they find. I'm Cory Hemminger with Digital Web Kings. One ecosystem, infinite possibilities. That was stupid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.